When piloting a drone, one thing you should avoid is making assumptions. If you assume that the drone's vision system is constantly functioning, you will crash or strike objects, and you do not want to destroy your drone. You're also mistaken if you believe the forward vision system always identifies thin objects like power wires or tree branches. When flying your drone, mistakes might occur, and we're here to assist you to avoid them. We're too concerned about the lifetime of your DJI Mavic 3 drone, so join us today as we go through the DJI Mavic 3 mistakes to avoid. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, let us give a little tutorial on what each button DJI Mavic 3 does before flying. The drone rises when the left joystick is pressed up, while the drone descends when the joystick is pressed down. Moving this joystick to the left and right, accordingly, turns the drone to the left and right. The right stick is used to steer or maneuver the drone. The drone moves forward, backward, left, and right by pressing the right joystick up, down, left, and right. You'll probably have numerous buttons for controlling the camera. These buttons may be used to shoot images, take videos, and access menus. The drone controller is simple to use. Know what part of the drone is in front so you know which direction is ahead and which direction is behind. Maintain your drone in the GPS option when flying for improved security. This will ensure that it flies and keeps its location. Now let us tell you the mistakes to avoid when flying. Number 5. Assuming functional vision system always. Forward and downward facing detectors are common on DJI Mavic 3 drones. The forward sensor can sense and prevent obstacles as it flies ahead. Whenever it is flying at low altitudes, the downward sensors help to keep it stable. Most owners of the Mavic drone believe that these detectors are constantly active and effective. There are times, though, when these sensors aren't working. For instance, low light circumstances substantially limit the ability of these sensors to function. They require a lot of light to function properly. Checking the light on the drone's rear might help you assess the sensor's operation. Your detectors are not operational if the drone's body emits a green or yellow light momentarily. You may also inspect the sensor symbol in the upper center of the camera view page by opening the DJI Go app. We consider this as one of DJI Mavic's 3 best settings. The sensor symbol would turn red if the sensors aren't functional. Clearly, it is advisable not to anticipate that the vision system is constantly operational, else you will be disappointed. What else should you not assume? We will inform you as soon. Before I go any further, please help us out by subscribing to this channel so you don't miss out on any of our content. Number 4. Flying indoors. In certain cases, pilots believe that testing a drone and its abilities indoors is preferable. Nonetheless, your drone will wander due to the low strength of the GPS signal within. Since many floorings are monochromatic or carpeted, the VPS has a tough time identifying surface patterns. However, if you lack expertise, practicing with the DJI Go Flight Simulator is far superior to flying inside. Ultrasound is absorbed by the carpet, and DJI drones utilize ultrasonic sensors to steady themselves. This is not suggested for inexperienced drone operators. It is undoubtedly preferable to fly outside, but there are some factors to consider, such as the weather. Continue watching because more detail on this is up next. Number 3. Assuming forward sensors spot any hindrance. The problem with forwarding detectors is that they can't detect everything, so don't expect them to. Forward detectors, for instance, have difficulty detecting thin things like wires, electric lines, and slender twigs. They are also unable to identify translucent obstructions, such as window panes. If you are hovering around the mentioned objects, do not presume that your drone detectors will maneuver smoothly over them. To prevent colliding with such obstructions, you would have to manually supervise the drone. Although Mavic's obstacle detection skills may save your drone, it's always a good idea to fly carefully and avoid obstructions manually when feasible. Number 2. Flying in incompatible environments. Do not operate the drone in adverse weather circumstances, such as strong winds surpassing 10 meters per second, snowfall, rainfall, or mist. When bringing your drone on winter adventures, be certain the batteries are not vulnerable to the cold. If your battery is subjected to severe temperatures, there is a good risk it could become inoperable, rendering your drone's ability to shoot your winter trip entirely worthless. To avoid this, we recommend putting the batteries in an enclosed warming bag. Number 1. Smashing while braking. Assume you're flying at high speeds when you see an obstruction in front of Dramatic. Even if you stop pushing the drone forward, it will continue to go forward owing to persistence. While the forward vision system may defend the drone in these kinds of scenarios, as previously noted, it is not always operational and does not detect all objects. We hope this information is useful while flying your DJI Mavic 3. Today's video can also be considered as a review of the DJI Mavic 3. Thank you for your time. Please leave a like to help the channel out.